It's done. It is finished and I can't wait to show you. There's still a ton in my house that needs decluttering. Old habits die hard, which you'll see in this video. We started this basement declutter 2.5 months ago. Let me show you how we started. In case you're new to this series, here's a quick catch up. This is phase 1. We just, I really actually thought I was going to come down into the basement and unpack in a weekend. This was a storage delivery and it happened in July of this summer, and it just got worse from there. Phase 2, I did not have a visible improvement. I was working through the emotions of decluttering and addressing some psychological and emotional concerns I had. And, I had kept clearing spaces, but filling those areas up from other stuff around the house. That brings us, and Batman, to this final declutter. Here I am just repeating my own mantra with him, teaching my son, and the mantra that we've kind of come up with for our decluttering is decide what to keep, ask why, and let go of the rest. A big struggle for me has been dealing with the guilt of the money that had been spent. I've read several books and blogs. I've watched lots of vlogs from minimalists, and a few have really helped me along the way, and it's taken months for me to process those emotions completely and get to a place mentally that I can fully and properly declutter our basement. So, here we go. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. We sold this chair to a new mom. The shelves are starting to look better here, and the center section here is science, and on the right side is everything that I'm going to focus on for this homeschool year. And here's the hubster taking the table to the basement as our new homeschool table, and taking a giggle break with our boys. Right away, I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
Yeah, toys and lamps.
Yeah.
And those 4 bins right there are what I've left for future homeschool.
One,
the rest
two,
is
three,
done.
4.
Yeah. The rest I donated.
Here's summer.
And that's clothes and swimsuits.
Yep, I tried to keep stuff that I thought you would need
accessible,
available on the perimeter of
perfect.
The
Thank you.
here, yeah. So
and then these are
goes on the outside. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So we'll just do $1 at a time in the future.
What's in here? Looks like a watering can and some electric cables and something metal. Oh, kegs.
What do you say? Let's get out of here.
Let's put the rest of the stuff up in the attic and call it good.
Okay.
I'm gonna find a crown so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. I'm just an accident waiting to happen like. Stop, yeah, I can't wait to hear that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. 'Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight.
So I'm just down to the final things here for my office and my teacher goodies.
I'm just an accident waiting.
My top drawer has everyday items. My second drawer has supplies. And here I'm kind of still stuck with paper clutter. Still very much an issue. I'm going to address that next year. I'm putting that down as one of my 2020 goals, is to really declutter paper and figure out a system for our family that's gonna work. So for now, I'm just gonna shove it in here. This is the cabinet behind the reading chair. And you know, old habits do die hard, and this definitely is one I am not trying to address this year. And I'm just gonna put on the finishing touches here, just final organization, figuring where everything really belongs. We've been using this room as a homeschool room for the last 2 weeks, kind of trying to get our feel before I did a final cleanup and a final organization.
push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
There's still a lot in our house to do, but this basement is a huge victory for us, and very, very excited to show you where we ended up. This is the after. We are so happy to have claimed this room again, and I'm actually feeling blessed that I've started this journey. It took us 2.5 months to get here, but we did it, and we ended up with a homeschool room, a storage area. So much was donated or trashed. I ended up with a workspace for myself.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know.
I just want to say thank you for being here. Thank you for sticking it to the end of this video. I know it was long. Thank you so much. And for all the support and the love and the comments and your stories. Please keep telling me your stories. Next year, I have so far named 7 things that I'm hoping we get to in 2020. Paper clutter, I mentioned. We have the shed, the attic, the crawl space, that cabinet situation over there. Kids' toys is one. And I didn't finish all the closets. You're watching a video as part of a series. Click here to see the entire Extreme Declutter series, and click here for simple meal planning, which sorted itself out as a result of our kitchen declutter. Thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and thank you for subscribing.